Southwest 307 contact.
Departure, have a great day, Southwest 307.
Houston approach, you ready to come inbound now? You want to burn some fuel? What do you want to know? What do you want to do?
Give us a minute.
Okay.
City ops on ground frequency, ops on ground. The Air 266 be advised that aircraft is currently about 5 miles south of the field, southbound. I think they're going to run some checklists and maybe burn some fuel off, but I'll let you know when they're inbound.
Southwest 307, air range come back.
Southwest 307, roger, turn right heading up 320.
Southwest 307, ILS 4.
ILS runway 4, yes sir.
Alright, ILS 4, Southwest 307.
Turn heading up 020, join the localizer runway 4.
020, localizer runway 4,
Southwest to the field. And they're steady at 3,000. And once again, I think they're running a checklist and maybe burning off some fuel. If you didn't get the corrected information on the fuel remaining in minutes, in pounds, it was 24,000 pounds of fuel.
And Southwest 307, there was indications of an engine fire, but there's no indications right now.
307, now roger.
Yeah, are we clear for the book?
307, you clear for the ILS runway 4 approach. 307, you still have one engine shutdown, is that correct?
We have the right engine shutdown, so
right down. 180, my ability to be holding companies coming inbound from the southwest with an emergency. I'll keep you apprised.
Yeah, we've been listening, so I wonder if okay, sounds good, we'll be waiting.
Right.
Hobby command, this is Hobby ground. We just got the call from approach control. Southwest 307 is inbound, currently 15 mile final, 15 mile final.
So 307 is at 7 miles from Eldren, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, clear ILS runway 4 approach. Actually, you are already clear, you clear for the ILS runway 4.
Southwest 307.
Command, Hobby ground, aircraft next to land, 8 mile final, next to land, 8 mile final.
7, contact Hobby Tower on 118.7.
19.7, Southwest 307, weren't expecting a sniff like this. Okay. Hello, Tower, Southwest 307, ILS runway 4.
Southwest 307, Hobby Tower, wind 330 at 6, runway 4, clear to land, company reported gain of 5 knots, 1,500 feet.
Runway 4, clear to land, Southwest 307.
Southwest 307, actually, runway 4 clear for the option.
That's a good idea. Pivot out to Southwest 307.
Okay, official aircraft, runway 4 arrival, wind shear alert, 20 knot gain, 3 mile final. Runway 31 right arrival, wind shear alert, 20 knot gain, 1 mile final. Runway 31 left arrival, wind shear alert, 20 knot gain, 1 mile final. Hobby command, Hobby ground, emergency aircraft next to land, 3 mile final, runway 4.